One of the common questions that I hear on Tough Tongue AI is that how I can optimize my cost or the minutes that gets consumed. So there are 5 tips that I'll share in this video. The first one is that make sure that you are adding right set of people in your members and assigning right quotas. So anyone you add here as a member, you control how much quota or minutes you assign. So one of the most odd way we have seen is the leakage of the minutes, that let's say you add wrong team member or you share the scenario wide in the public internet. So that's my second point suggestion to you, that make sure that you are sharing the scenario in the right way. If you go to generate share link, there is a way to do a one-time share. There is also a way to share like 7 days. You can also make sure that only particular user get access to. You can make the scenario private. In that case, this link is only makes the scenario accessible and someone can't just get a link and use it later on. So making your scenario private and sharing it in a more structured way is the second way to save cost. The third is that how are you consuming the minutes? So the base minutes is that when you interact with the AI, the minutes gets consumed. But if you deploy in the Google Meet and all, then there is a 20% extra. If you use avatar and all, there is an extra charge. If you use multimodal analysis, which is video analysis, much more powerful, there is an extra charge for it. So make sure that you are using appropriate features which are sort of delivering value to you when you are using it. The step number 4 is that when you're creating a scenario, make sure that you assign a end escape hatch, like when the scenario gets closed. So one way is that you go to a strategy and you can define maximum session lengths. So this ensures that if someone has left the tab open and other, this does not consume your cost. We also have some set of guardrails that if no one speaks for 2 minutes, then we do cut the scenario, so we save the cost. But this is an additional way for you to protect it. The fifth and the last option is that you could also bring your own keys. So the many customers have extra credits, or they purchase credits in bulk. So all of these cases, you can go to the settings, you can go to the API keys, and here if you use these keys, then you cost much less. In fact, we just charge you 1 cent, which is 1/10 of the price in case you bring your own keys. Now, whether your keys are working or in which model it applies, use this cascade readiness checker and these documentation which can help you out. So try it out and let me know if this helps you out. Thank you so much.